Light residences, tenants, and unit owners have reason to celebrate as Eduardo's Peri Peri flame-grilled chicken opened at the Light Mall in March 2015. Piri Piri is traditionally made from Piri Piri peppers, which originated in South Africa and were imported to Portugal from two Portuguese colonies, Angola and Mozambique. Today, most hot sauces from Portugal are referred to as Piri Piri. The Portuguese utilized these peppers in creating a spicy marinade to grill their chicken, and voila, the Peri Peri Chicken was born. Eduardo's is a local concept, and their signature flame-grilled chicken is simply awesome. A bouquet of flavors and spices bound to make your mouth happy. One of our new favorite grilled chickens in Manila. Also, make sure to try their fall-off-the-bone baby back ribs, homemade kick-ass hot sauce, and barbecue and herb sauce. Chef Lau's Pugon Roasters is a restaurant by celebrity chef Rolando Laudico that serves fire brick oven roasted traditional Pinoy dishes like roast chicken, pork liampo, beef, and other great stuff at a very affordable price. The first branch opened April 1, 2013 at the Ayala Triangle Walkways.